Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to add music on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, to add your favorite tracks on your watches, you would need to open application Galaxy Wearable on the phone which are your watches connected to. After this, scroll down on the application and click on Watch Settings. After this, scroll down again and click on Manage Content and Track on Watch right here. After this, you can see available tracks on your watch already, but if you wanna add new ones, you would need to click on this plus right here. Select the track or tracks that you wanna add on your watch and click Add to Watch. After this, wait until the track transfers on your watch. And that's all. Right here you will see notification on your watch that one track was added, and you can immediately open it. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.